Madhusudan Law College. Currently I'm in third year. So, but I belong to Paradip in Odisha. First of all, I want to learn about drafting, but there was no scope to learn drafting from any of my internships, and even my seniors failed to answer me like what to draft and how to draft. Then I came across Law Seco, and Harsh sir came in contact with me. He told me that how to do drafting and asked me to take this Law Seco course. It will help me, and I took the Law Seco course of drafting. For a legal drafting course, I learned the contract drafting, civil drafting, criminal drafting, and even I learned how to write the articles. Previously, the main part is the article writing. Previously, I used to take around a week to write a single piece of article. After that, after taking this course and watching this webinar by Ramanujan sir, there how to write the articles, like first the frame questions and then write the articles, was quite easier. And now, after doing some internship, I am feeling that I can write an article 2 days. I can hardly 2 days to write one article, and the contract is also good. But I want to practice more about this contract drafting. So live session was quite good. Nimisha ma'am and Ruchika ma'am was quite friendly and interactive. They used to ask us question and then also give us the feedback too. The question answers, like after doing these questions, they used to check and give us the feedback. And even if we have some wrong in this, this loopholes, we used to fill it, and we can even ask them personally to them, not in the classes too, because sometimes we feel bad that we have did some mistake, and what will happen if we feel humiliated. But ma'am also have this solution through that. After this course, I applied from some internship. First, actually, I applied from internship 4 to 5, and they all got rejected. And after taking this course, I applied for some internship for drafting, for even for writing internship. I'm currently doing this internship with the Legal Capsule, and they are giving us to write the articles, and it's quite easy for me to research and to write. How to write was a very big matter for me, and now it is solved. Almost it is solved. And for this drafting, my friend is trying to get up a startup, because we have started freelancing work after taking this course. Then now we are planning to do something with that we can help the startup free of cost for some of the time, as asked by Ramanujan sir had told that for you can look for the startup. They are as they are starting up, they don't prefer to give a lot of money for contract drafting or policy making for their privacy policy. So as to practice, we can approach them and can ask them to work for free for some time. Then they will give us the work. We can work for them for this. In this way, we can help them, and the practice will happen to us. Like we can practice the drafting. Experience was quite good. I learned negotiation and meditation, mediation. Sorry, from Ruchika ma'am while doing this. All like it was an interactive session, so she was giving a demonstrative class on negotiation, how to negotiate before, like in the contract. So, except this contract drafting and writing, there are many sessions to how to publish, how to find a good article to publish, and many more things. The friends were quite good. they also help us. Like if I miss any class or I am unable to finish any uh, task given to me, I can ask them clearly to help. If I feel that I should not talk to ma'am because sometimes I feel afraid, what will say, like I feel humiliated. So they also help me very lot.